So we'll work on a ferroli domicompact f30b. We've got an f5 fault on it, which is pointing towards a fan air pressure switch problem. We've removed combustion case. There's a few other problems inside the boiler, as you can see, but obviously we want to give the customer a full diagnosis, so whether we can recommend repairing the boiler or replacing the boiler. So what we're going to do is check the fan resistance. This should be between 19 and 20 ohms. We've powered down the boiler, removed one of the electrical connections off it. So what have we got there? I've not got a good connection on that. There we go. We had 20 ohms there. 21.5, so we're looking between 19 and 22, so that's okay. We've also tested the air pressure switch, which is just 2-wire air pressure switch, which is just a switch on this one. So the standard says it should check for normally closed first. We have checked that, that's fine. So we're going to power the boiler up and put a demand on for heating. We've previously done all the preliminary electrical checks and they're satisfactory. So we're going to power back up the boiler. There's our demand. Pump's running, we can hear the pump running. The fan's not running. We'll see what happens here. So back to an F5 fault. Right, we're going to power down there. We're going to disconnect one of the terminals from the air pressure switch. If the air pressure switch is at fault here, the fan should run, which will indicate that there's an air pressure switch problem. So we're going to power back down, remove the terminal from the air pressure switch, and power back up. So we have a demand on for heating again, pump's running again, we can hear that. So now we need to test the voltage to it. The fan is not spinning. So this is pointing towards a circuit board problem, PCB, which is a common fault on these. So we'll be recommending the customer replaces the PCB. To be honest with you, the boiler is not in the best of conditions. We've got a leak on the auto air vent, which has come out onto the pump. On arrival, there was a screw missing and jammed in there. We managed to get that out. We have a leak, or signs of a leak, on the bottom of the condenser there, which is run down the side of the heat exchanger. We also have some sort of issue going with the flue, where you can see water ingresses been dripping down across the flue stack there as well. So in this instance, by the time we've repaired all that, we would be advising on replacing the boiler. And that's your F5 fault.